Marissa was no ordinary girl. She was a brave young mermaid who loved to explore the ocean and discover new wonders. One day, she found something glowing inside her treasure chest. It wasn't gold or jewels this time. It was a magical map. She held it close and whispered, "Where does this lead?" The map revealed a secret path to the Crystal Mermaid Kingdom, a place hidden deep beneath the ocean where only the brave could go. Marissa felt nervous. What if I get lost? What if I can't do it? Just then, a tiny glowing fish appeared beside her and said, "Even when it feels dark, your light is still shining. Keep going. Believe in yourself." Marissa took a deep breath and followed the glowing trail. She swam through twisting kelp and quiet shadows, trusting her heart to guide her. Finally, she reached a place full of sparkling towers made of crystal. The Queen of the Crystal Mermaids welcomed her with a warm smile. "To truly enter," the Queen said, "you must see who you really are." She showed Marissa a magical mirror. In it, Marissa saw her courage, her kindness, and her strength. "I didn't give up," she said. "I believed in myself. I am brave." From that day on, Marissa knew that no matter where she went, her confidence would guide her like a shining light. If you liked this adventure, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more magical stories with Marissa.